We may studied a favorite course or not favorite course, not matter, but finished it. So that what is next? Job. Resume is important. The CV and resume. I am fresher. You are saying that I am fresher. I do not ready. How to ready this resume and what to put in the resume? There are many confusion. All fresher have that question. Same question. This video will be giving a simple solution to make a profit of resume. And welcome to our channel Independent CJ. Many have a confusion that I want to fresher want to be prepare a resume or curriculum vitae. The fresher I want to say in one sentence means CV for a experienced person, chronological order. They want to mention first job to all the experience mentioned in this CV. They want to be 3 to 4 sides of paper want to there, and professional is to say in 3 to 4 sides in a CV is saying about your talent, skill and education skill, and you want to summarize in a maximum of one paper, one side to one dot of side only. The fresher want to choose this resume. Let's start. The first one is the left corner is important because you want to mention your name, phone number and email ID, email address. In email address, do not mention as a rockstar dude or cutie girl 123, happy dude 123. Avoid these mistakes and be professional, so that you want to mention your name at gmail.com or yahoo.com. Right side, in the right side, you want to fit a photo of a professional with a professional dress and suit, like suit, tie, not stick or clip it. You want to scan with the paper, merge with that, and want to get a printout out of it. The next important thing is objective. That you want to want to have a objective, individual objective, and do not do a mistake of I want to join your esteem organization. I want to be a successful person, but it is a wrong way to tell. Better do this. Newcomers are doing this. Never use this. I want to be. We want to be myself. My. Do not use these things. And not use I am also. You want to put in a resume as objective as seeking and your post. You are want a job, like a job or position. That position want to mention it, not mention as seeking a suitable post in your organization. Not put like this. Have a clarity to make this, and seeking a suitable position, seeking a successful upper career in your organization. Not if you put this, not able to select you, and important, so that you want to put to seek and your post in your organization. You want to want to particularly say a role, an exact role in your two, one or two sentence itself. The objective is done. Then the education qualification. Now you've recently finished studies. You have no have experience, so that you want to mention latest studied degree, that MTech, MCA, M SC, Master of Science, like that. You want to uh, different split into four columns, that is education qualification, institution, which year you studied, and CGPA or percentage. The recently studied want to be a first, and undergraduate UG, that is BTech or anything, that the 12th and 10th are your interest, not definitely want to need to put. Your choice is thing is professional experience. You not have a professional experience, but you have studied a college, so that you go to internship or any project doing at least one you done it. Internship means you maybe put a 3 month effort, or one or two project you have done that. You want to put a title of project, and what you done it, and which for which company you want to mention it. Example, I want to say means in engineering college, the example is automobile industries, communication, or what to inside you want what you did it, and what new invention is included, and your involvement is technology oriented wise. Your contribution is important in two sentence, and only you want to you did only one, and but you want to mention it confidently. In this uh, in this generation, the social media activeness is important. Company will be prefer this candidate in a not put in a Facebook that means or any post or not related to the job, your job. You are do a post also of related to your job, your post, and I want to prefer this LinkedIn. LinkedIn active and strong profile will be uh, must needed, and create a profile, and create a post, a suggestion in your comment, in your job. The next thing is awards. What award you brought it, or for what and what. The next is blog or YouTube channel you are having mention. You mention it. These will be the many people have a YouTube channel. The conveying of uh, our thoughts. Not mention jolly or cinema review uh, channels. If you have done it, not mention it. Only related to a job you want to mention it. If not, not mention it. The next is skill. The computer skill like MS skill, and shell, Word document, that Java, Python, SQL, that skills, that marketing skills or communication skills. You have a knowledge of all many languages. Mention it. That is great thing. In the internship, you done a special involvement is there, helped a company to reduce a cost, or any special involvement in your company means you want to mention it. Then is declaration, that is all you want to put like all true to my knowledge. And next is reference, you want to refer a 3%, that is maybe, or like a HOD, in the person of internship, you want to mention it. And not mention that neighbor, uncle, aunt. And you want to sign it. And you want to, these are things, and these are things which is projecting your best resume. These are a common thing for all engineering students and all students. You want to be in a media field, you want to be creative, that, but it is not work, these are things not will be working. You want to be creating a highly creative resume and a high attitude, want to mention it. And you want to mention objective, not put I am a creative, I am open mind person, want to put these things. And you want to present a creative presentation, want to made, not mention I am creative. Suppose you want to making in a advertisement in agency, or YouTube channel, or television station, or writers, or social media, online media. In your writing skills itself, you represent your resume and your talent, and not put seeking a great position in a creative writer. And you want to completely different, want to write. And how to creatively express these things in 2 sentences, they will understand your character and all things. And if you have a creative creator means you want to make many blogs in social medias, you want to active in social medias. If you are in a suggestion is if you are in a graphic designer, you want to be a graphic designer, you want to be represent not this, like you want to project as a infographic wise, not write stories, you want to represent as a graphic design. There are many in Google itself. These are things you want to remember in resume preparation. And thank you for watching.